Good morning. Now we are going to see the first experiment of Unix, which shows the Unix uses shell to accept commands given by the user. Unix shell is a command line interpreter or shell that provides a traditional Unix-like command line user interface. Users direct the operation of the computer by entering commands as a text for command line interpreter to execute, or by creating text scripts of one or more such commands. There are many commands to get executed. Now these are the commands, and this cat gives the display file content to the standard output device. CD is changed to directory. chmod is change files permission. Like so, we have lots of command. Now we will go for the first experiment, and this is the first question in that experiment. List the content of the user's home directory including the hidden files. For that, the command is ls-a. The second question is list the content of /var directory. For that, the command is cd/var ls. Now we need to create two directories named dir1 and dir2. For that the command is make dir1 mkdir2. mkdir stands for make dir. Then the fourth question is create a home directory with your name. For that, create a hidden directory we need to create. So mkdir.divya. 5. Change into directory d1. So the command is cd directory1. Copy this file to current directory with sample.txt as the file name. We need to copy this to the current directory with the file name as sample.txt. So the command is cp that file name sample.txt. cp is copy. Now the seventh question is change your home directory and use pwd command to check whether you are in home directory. To change home directory, we need to use cd ... Then to check, we need to use pwd. Eighth question is we need to create a file text test1.txt using vim editor. Then we need to enter all this contents into that file. Then we need to answer this following question. First question is display the student name who have research interest as grid computing. Here Melvin and Binu and Arun. These three people are only interested in research computing. For that, the command is grep grid computing test 1.txt hyphen cut pipelining cut hyphen f1. This cut hyphen f1 gives only the name, as they have asked us to display only the student names. This cut hyphen f1 gives only the student's name. Then the second question is list all the students' name and register number in the class. They have not asked for the research interest. For that, the command is cut hyphen f1, 2 file name. This gives the name and the register number alone. Now for displaying that file text without any blank lines, the command is cat -b file name. Now we need to move sample.txt to text from directory 1 to directory 2. For that, the command is move sample.txt new.txt. Change directory into directory 2 directory. Change directory normal directory to directory 2. For that, cd directory 2. Check whether the file sample text is present or not. For that, we need to use ls. Rename the file sample to new.txt and check the same command as we used in 10th question. 14th question, display the calendar of the December 2020. For that, we need to use cal 2020. If we have March, then we need to give 03 cal 03 2020. To remove a directory, we need to use rmdir directory 1. rmdir stands for remove directory. The 16th question is display last 3 lines of the file in text. We have entered a number of students, register numbers, and their research interest. Of that file, we need to display the last 3 lines. For that, the command is tail -3 test 1 txt. This gives the last 3 names: student's name, register number, and research interest. All these 3 contents with last 3 lines. display. The 17th question is display all the comments that you have entered executed so far and list into the file name dot. For seeing all the commands which have been executed, that for that we need to use history. To save those lists into a file, for that we need to use greater than symbol today's history dot text. And the last question is how many files are present under your home directory. For that we need to use ls pipeline wc-w. These are the 18 questions in the first experiment and with the commands. I hope you understood. Thank you.